Today I will prepare a special chocolate mug cake and birthday mug cake. All my valuable viewers and subscribers. Before starting my recipes, I would like to share that on 21st July 2020, I received the Google AdSense pin. It has become possible only due to your unconditional love and support to me. Thanks to Google and YouTube team as well. Egg 1 piece, olive oil 1 tablespoon, boiled milk 1 tablespoon, sugar 2 tablespoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, flour 3 tablespoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, chocolate 2 teaspoon. Place 1 piece egg in a mug. Beat it. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. Stir it. Boiled milk 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Sugar 2 tablespoon. Stir it. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Stir it. Cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Flour 3 tablespoon. Again mix well. Baking powder do not place in the center of the microwave oven. Place at a side of the oven. Keep in the microwave for 1 minute. Now take out from the microwave. It's done. See, it's super soft. Decorate with chocolate syrup. Spread sprinkles. chocolate mug cake is ready. See the texture? Perfect. Flour 4 tablespoon, sugar 3 tablespoon, baking powder half teaspoon, sprinkles 2 tablespoon, milk 3 tablespoon, olive oil 1 tablespoon. Mix all ingredients in a mug until they combine together. Flour, sugar, baking powder, sprinkles, milk, olive oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now mix well. Place the mug at the side of microwave oven, not in the center. Place in the microwave for 1 minute. Now take out from the microwave. It's done. See, it's super soft. Decorate with whipped cream. Place different types of chocolates. Birthday mug cake is ready. Hope enjoy my 2 easy cake recipes. If you like my recipes, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.